Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install EV charging automation using Home Assistant dashboards, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have Home Assistant installed and running smoothly on your device. Next, access your Home Assistant interface through your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Configuration tab found on the sidebar of the dashboard. From the Configuration menu, select the Integrations option. Search for and add the relevant electric vehicle charging integration compatible with your charger. Follow the prompts to complete the integration process. Once the integration is set, head over to the Dashboard section in the sidebar. Click on Overview to create a new dashboard for your charging automation. Select the Add Card option to start customizing your dashboard. Choose cards that best represent your EV charging needs, such as sensor readings, power consumption, and charging status. Configure each card with the relevant data from your integrated charger. Use the Customize option to modify the appearance and layout of each card according to your preferences. Next, go to the Automation section found in the Configuration menu. Click on Add Automation to create a new automation specifically for managing your EV charging. Set the trigger condition based on your preferences, such as time of day or energy rates. Define the action that should be taken once the trigger condition is met, such as starting or stopping the charging process. Make sure to test your automation to ensure everything functions as planned. Return to your dashboard and refresh to display the latest automation settings. Check the real-time data on your dashboard to monitor your EV charging status effectively. Consider fine-tuning your automations based on your charging habits and energy efficiency goals. Finally, regularly update your Home Assistant and integrations for optimal performance and new features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.